Hi everyone, this is Kivo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad ko na reaction video ng Don Bell compilation, hindi tayo patigil agad-agad. So without further ado, let's start this. Ay, ano to? Let's at her. Delikado talaga. Down bad talaga siya, ma'am. Bell's turn. Down bad. Napaghalataan sila both. Sa totoo lang, napaghalataan talaga sila both for today's video. Tell me you're down bad without telling me. Ladies and gentlemen, Don Bell. Instead of Don Bell, naging down bad na. DB stands for down bad. Ganun. Di ba, ma'am? DB stands for down bad. Ganon. Yun ang sinasabi ko. Happy na heart difference talaga. Sa totoo lang. Iba talaga yung heart difference nila. Ay, Tita G. Hindi na napalada natin. Ay, Kitty. Donnie. Basta makita na ako kay Donnie pag nagpapababy siya or parang he acts like a kid. Ganon. Kasi ang laki-laki niya eh. Alam mo yun, yung tangkat-tangkat niya tapos he acts like a baby. Cutie kaya yun. Ay, eto na. Where's Donnie? Ano si Donnie? Nagpapakawa na ako na huwag mo na umalis because I was hoping for a fact na lalapit sila. Ay. Anong atake? And then finally, our picture together. Sumaksa si ate girl. Pumaldo.
Sinasagot mo na ba?
Pumaldo si ate girl.
Hi guys, so I am 3, 2, 1.
Ay, ito. Ay, ito. Behind the scene. Ay, si Direk. Si Direk. Jeffrey, tama ba?
Maraming salamat dahil tinulungan mo kami makasama kayo today. You win this shoot today. So I'm hoping na everyone yun yung nakalagay sa mindset. Sila yung natin guys, yung feelers for today. Lakas nyo. This is our setup para dun sa scene ni Donnie kung saan dito siya tatayo mamaya. Dun siya magkukwento na nangyari sa kanila.
Picture si Donnie.
May guys, our principal. Hey, head of Filipino Dev. In behalf of the production team of Sneer, maraming salamat po for doing this. Hindi na po namin patatagalin. We'll be shooting this 6 pages of script lang naman po. Every part po kasi ng episode namin is about first day of school as a student. Kayo naman po ang nag-iisang mapakwento ng first day niyo po as teacher. Answers, everybody! 2, 1, wait lang.
Ay, may balang sister.
Tigil na yan, te. Nagigigil ako.
Alright, class. What do we expect on the first? Ini-expect ko. Hindi kayo mahihiyang magtanong sa akin.
Circuit nonsense.
And cut!
Sige na ako tayo.
Ay, ayan na. Ayan si Belinda. Ay! Bakit gano'n? Nagbibigay na naman ng stapler, pero parang nakakakilig na siya. Oy! TG, act your age ha? You're 36 years old. Wala
Try to
eh.
explain.
Ganun
Then one
talaga.
more.
Kinikilig talaga tayo sa Don Bell eh. Wala tayong magagawa dyan, ma'am. Kung ganun talaga yung atake.
Okay, everybody, breathe tayo, inhale, exhale, roll tayo cameras. Ready, let's take this one. Ready, on my cue, in 3, 2, 1, action!
Ay, alis.
And cut, grabe, one take. Okay, pahingin mo lang tatay mo sa amin siyang hawakan. Ready, iiwas si Donnie, 3, 2, 1, go! Go guys, loud ba everyone? In 3, 2, 1, action! Maraming salamat po.
so much.
It's a wrap, guys!
Happy 12 days!
Thank you, guys!
Baby, come over. Baby, come over, Baker. Bakit ang daming
Hello.
sinasabi?
Anyways, ay wait lang. Fan girling from Tagsan. Ito kayo. Andito pa si Belle?
Dondel fan dito.
Ay, ano ka? Nasaan sila? Tayo sa wakas. Okay. Oh my God. Hala. Hala. Kay Belot yan. Wala na.
Kung balanse ang pag-ibig, ang tanong ko lang
Oh my
bakit di mo kaya
God.
mag-iparas? Pinaikot, nilaro, pinalis. Muna ko pero
Iba talaga si Donnie, I swear. Nakaiba talaga si Donnie. Iba talaga. Ay, bakit naman parang worried ang baby girl natin? Charis! Ay, sus! Oh, at dinikit pa niya talaga. At dumikit pa talaga siya. Into my favorite song. Ay, what is this? No, 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 no. Ay, gusto sa Disney sila. Don't Bell Set Visit. Rewind. Ay, grabe. Wait. Grabe, ang galing nila. Ang galing-galing talaga nila. Beb, magaling talaga sila. Bakit? Bakit sila magaling?
I don't think you'll ever be 1,000% ready for that, but you know, I think we'll just take it day by day and enjoy the moment. right
Bakit
now.
nila ang bakit sila ang galing-galing na?
Yeah.
You know, it's a for now.
Nakakainis ha. Ay, edit yan. Ay, enjoy. Ay, si Donnie yung nakatalikod. Tapos, ay, nung humarap. Cutie talaga siya. Pang baby boy talaga siya. Cutie, no? Anyways, that is all for today's video from Don Bell. This is Emo Vlog. This is my next vlog. Bye.